welcome to my weekend vlog. Okay, so we have a lot to do this weekend. Also, this is the best latte I've ever made in my life. Okay, it's almost Christmas. I know it's not even Thanksgiving yet right now, but for us handmade Christmas gift givers, Christmas might as well be tomorrow. This weekend, I wanna try to get ahead on all of my handmade gifts. So today I'm gonna make one of those like boxed makeup pouches for one of my friends. I already got the fabric. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. Then I would like to go fabric shopping for my mother. I wanna make her a turtleneck for sure, because like who doesn't wear a turtleneck throughout the entire winter season? She'll actually use my gift. But I also want to go hunting for fabric for a homemade poncho, like one of those like sweatery ponchos. My mom loves those. Also, I feel like it'd be something really easy to make. It just depends on if I can find the fabric. I'm so excited for this vlog. I have so much to show you. I can give you guys a sneak peek of the pattern I'm releasing in a couple weeks. Literally, I'm not going to show it to anyone else, just this vlog. So you guys are in on the secret. I'm going to prepare my own business for Black Friday, prep the sales. I might also prep some other patterns for the future, but we got a lot to do. So we should probably go get dressed for the day. Okay, time to get dressed. Okay, I actually like my little swan cardigan stitch. I despise running errands in like sweatpants, so let me put on a skirt. It's actually like 60s or 70s today, so I don't need to be too warm. Okay, for shoes, I'm gonna wear these Christina Sneakerina shoes from VIVAIA. How cute, because my outfit today is kind of like ballet core a little bit. She's giving Swan Lake. And I am like the most excited I've ever been in my entire life because I'm actually partnering with VIVAIA for this video. That's crazy to say too because I love their shoes. I am a customer. It was kind of like a pinch me moment when they reached out. I'm so excited. I mean, the shoes speak for themselves. I think Bella Hadid has been seen wearing these exact shoes. I'm twinning with Bella Hadid. Anyways, what I love about these sneakers, other than the fact that they're so ballet cute, is the kind of like DIY aspect, which I know you guys are gonna appreciate. I have them with like some gold charms right now, which are actually shoe charms. I really love customizing my shoes with shoe charms. So these are some of the shoe charms that I transfer between my shoes. These Christinas also come with two different shoelaces, like a regular lace and then a ribbon lace. So you can mix and match them, wear them together, wear them separately, get like kind of 4 different looks with it. Obviously, me and you, we love some whimsies. So for me, I put the ribbons on. But I don't feel like these shoes right now, kind of like how they're DIY styled, match the vibe of the outfit. I would like to DIY them another way. So 1 second. I brought craft supplies. Yeah, I have a plethora of ribbons, trims, and like charms. So I was kind of born to customize my shoes and my clothing. So I have probably like 35 different colors of ribbon, but I chose pink today to match my outfit. Like I said, going for a little ballet Swan Lake vibe. And pro tip, you can use like Scotch tape wrapped around your ribbon to create little DIY aglets, and then it makes lacing up your shoes so much easier. I also do this with corsets. I had a ton of leftover teardrop pearls from my last sewing project, so I attached those to a jump ring and then a lobster clasp to make a ton of charms. Lastly, I wanted to add some bling, so I had this rhinestone trim and I just added that into the very front of the shoe, and these are my final DIY shoes. Oh, they're so cute. I love how they match my outfit. Also, I've been kind of into everything ballet core lately because I have been taking ballet classes, which part of the reason why I love my ballet classes so much is because I get to dress cute. So I can wear like these to get to class. Obviously I have to wear ballet shoes there, but the vibe is unmatched. So these are what I'm gonna wear today, but I need to show you 2 other pairs of shoes because I think you're gonna be freaking obsessed with them. These are the Audrey bunny loafers, and look, come on. They're so cute. They're like a wearable piece of art. They also had a dog one, which, you know, like I was obviously debating. However, this is my dog. Hello, are you grumpy? You grumpy? Mwah. And he doesn't really look like the dog in the shoe. So I went with the bunny, but there are a ton of other shoe options with like a bunch of other animals. Yes, goodbye Hatch. Which also would make a really good Christmas gift. Since we're on the theme of preparing for Christmas, very unique. And there are options for anyone. Also, I do need to mention that they're foldable. Hello. This is good for me if I'm running errands in heels. Honestly, I wear heels a lot of the time. So to have a little backup pair of shoes that I can just toss in my tote, bring along with me, a fabulous option. Okay, and then this shoe is actually my favorite one. This is the shoe. What the heck is that, you ask? And I know you're asking that because I also thought that as well. This is a leg warmer that transforms this shoe, little booty, girl, into a boot. I gotta be honest, when I saw this on the website, I was like, there's no way. I don't really know about that. Girl, let me show you. Okay, before, cute shoe. Wow, I love those little booties. But wait, there's more. This is freaking genius. I also love this style of boot, like the fold over type of boot, which is what this is giving. Whoever came up with this, you need a raise. Also, these puppies are water repellent, which is great because it hasn't stopped raining for like 2 months here in Raleigh. Can I get the sun back? Ooh, also last thing, because I know you guys care about this, they're really eco-friendly. They use a lot of recycled materials. They donate to sustainable causes. And yes, they are having a Black Friday sale right now. Hooray! So you can use my code BFKiana as in a Black Friday Kiana to get 10% off 1 pair, 20% off 2 pairs, 25% off 3 pairs, and 30% off 4 pairs. I will probably also be using the code. I want the sneakerinas in pink. So happy Black Friday shopping. And again, thank you so much to VIVAIA. I love you guys so much. Thank you for partnering with me on this video. Bye, Hutch. Love you. Okay, I actually need to go fabric shopping now. My plan was to make the little box makeup bag first, but girl, we're running out of time in the day. The fabric store closes early, so I gotta go. Also, car look different? I got a new car! New Subaru Crosstrek. I'm so excited. I will tell you all about that soon. You're gonna start seeing a lot of videos with the Crosstrek. Anyways, off we go. These ones are really stretchy. I feel like they'd be super comfy to wear, but they don't have a lot of colors, so. Do you guys think my mom would want a leopard or a zebra print or Dalmatian print poncho? They're kind of fun. Very soft. Mom, do you want a leather poncho? Cowboy style? Guys, it's looking like my mom is not gonna get a poncho for Christmas. Sorry, Mom. Wait, I think I found something. These plaids. I could make her like a flannel Christmas poncho. I also really like this for myself. It's giving Vivian Westwood, which I've been really into for Christmas. You'll see more later. Guys, I actually made a purchase, which low-key could be good, could be bad. Look at this. What a cute little poncho material. It is like that cheap fleece blanket material. So I do fear it's gonna end up looking like a cheap fleece blanket poncho. However, if I make it, it's gonna look good. It's not gonna look too cheap, hopefully. But if I don't end up using it, it's because there was nothing I could do. It was gonna look cheap. But I feel like she's kind of giving Burberry, and I think my mom will like that. And then I might make myself like a matching scarf situation so we can match. I think she would love that. For now though, this is not the project I wanna get into. I wanna get into my makeup bag. Oh, actually, as promised, let me let you in on my secret. This is my next sewing pattern. Remember that pinstripe blue skirt I made in a weekend vlog like months ago? You guys wanted a pattern? No, I never made one until now because I feel like it's the perfect pattern for a Christmas skirt. So I made it out of this, or actually Christina sewed this. Christina sewed it out of this plaid Christmassy material. She's giving Ralph Lauren Christmas right now, but I'm gonna edge her up a little bit so I can give like Vivian Westwood Christmas. I'm hoping to release her on Black Friday, so stay tuned. Oh, and then one more exciting thing. I also got a second dress form. Hello? Move, girl. Move, girl. I know what you're thinking. Girl, are those like exactly the same? No, they're not. This one is one size up from that one. It's the Monica dress form from Royal Dress Forms, my favorite dress form that's ever existed. I'm spoiled now. I can't use anything else. They're also having a Black Friday sale, I believe. It might be over by the time I post this video though, so sorry. Yeah, this one is the extra, extra small, and this is the extra small. Guys, I just realized I don't have a freaking zipper, which means I get to go back to the fabric store tomorrow. How efficient of me. Well, I'm gonna get started on it. Obviously, I can't finish it. I'm not gonna like sacrifice a weird colored zipper. I'll go get a white one. There's like some white speckles in here. Tonight, I'm gonna quilt it. I might embroider a name on here and get as far as I can. Okay. Bro, my air purifier is going crazy over there since I sprayed the embroidery adhesive. The VOCs are in the air. PSA, unless you want to absolutely destroy your polyester quilting, don't put your iron right on it. I'm gonna steam it to remove my tailor's chalk markings. Girl, it's so late. It's like 10:30 p.m. and I'm finally ready to start sewing my bag together. Everything I just did right now was super optional, like adding the ruffles, added my name tag on the lining, quilting it, and then also doing the embroidery patch. But your girl goes big or goes home, okay? So I guess I'll keep going. Wait, I don't know if I already mentioned this, you guys, but I have like a full like tutorial up on how to make these little pouches, and I include all the measurements for free. This one actually is a bit of a smaller bag than the one I made in that video, so I will include the measurements to this bag down below in this video. But yeah, I'll link that other video. That way you have a really nice tutorial to follow. Okay, dude, my studio is a mess. I don't even want to talk about it. You can't see how bad it is. I'll fix it in the morning. But look, I finished my little makeup bag. The little ruffles. The actual like assembly part, if I didn't do ruffles, quilting, embroidery, took me like 45 minutes. So if you're doing this for yourself, keep that in mind. Simple is really efficient for this one. Oh, question though, comment down below what handmade gifts you're making this year, because it's early still and I'm feeling like the joy of making for gifts this year, and so I would just love some more ideas. We can all help each other out in the comments. Also, it's 11:30 right now and I forgot I have makeup on. I was so excited to go crawl into bed. I've been wearing my shoes all day. I actually never wear really like slippers. Well, sometimes I do, but I mostly wear like shoes in my house, which is crazy because I grew up Asian household, but because I'm always filming, I like wearing shoes. So comfy shoes are important to me. And these guys were comfy all day. Actually, it kind of feels like I'm almost like barefoot, but like with a cushion. Okay, see you tomorrow. Morning guys, happy Sunday. Here is my fit check. I'm wearing those shoes with the leg warmers from VIVAIA. Also wearing my new fleece line tights that I got from Amazon. Look at that, looks like I'm pulling my skin out. I don't know why I'm so late to the train. I used to have like regular fleece tights that I would just mix and match with different like sheer tights over top, which was great because it was really versatile. These just are so much easier though. And as you guys know, I am really tall and they actually fit me, which is quite the shock. Also, let me know what you guys think about my hair. I was trying the little mermaid waver today. I think I like it. Bella says she likes when my hair has like a little bit more texture in it, and this is a lot of texture for me. All right, I have some computer work I want to do, so I think I might go to a cafe and get my day started because I love doing that, and I haven't done that I think since my last weekend vlog. No, actually it was 2 weekend vlogs ago. Let's go to the cafe, come on. Okay, great news. It's already 5 o'clock. The day is almost done. How does the time fly so fast? All right, so we're a few patterns ahead right now. This is unheard of for me. Oh, he's playing with, that's just playing. Oh, he's vicious too. Okay, so like I said, we are releasing this pattern next. Hopefully on Black Friday, though it's creeping up fast, so I don't know. I did decide I'm going to do a big Black Friday sale this year, and you're not gonna need a code. Then we are working on an A-line skirt pattern, very basic, literally just like a staple skirt that everyone needs in their closet. I think we're gonna make it out of this Christmas plaid, very topical. We'll probably make a plain black one too, just so like, I mean, this is fair. Sometimes people struggle envisioning the pattern in another fabric, so that's why I'm always making duplicates of things, because this is a business. We gotta help people have the vision. So I'm gonna do this, probably do a black. And then while I was just on my computer for the last 5 hours, I was working on the next pattern too, which I think you guys are gonna like. You actually might be a little mad because it's not exactly what you wanted, but you've been asking for it for a year. Drum roll, please. The Scotland dress. Okay, actually don't get too excited because it's not actually the Scotland dress, it's just the skirt from the Scotland dress. Here's the thing, the skirt, super versatile, love it. When I'm making patterns, I have to weigh like the creativity and the uniqueness versus the marketability and like what percentage of my audience can actually make that thing. So we do advanced patterns, right? All the time. But more often than not, we're doing intermediate or beginner friendly patterns because I'm not solely a fashion designer. I am a pattern maker. That is my business. When I'm deciding on patterns, I gotta keep that in mind. So we're gonna do the skirt. I'm going to make it an asymmetrical option and like a regular skirt yoke option. But yeah, I haven't decided what fabrics I wanna do. Obviously the original, we did leather and a flannel, but we already have that option. So we should probably do something different. I literally have not even thought about this yet. So let me know in the comments what you wanna see. I don't know. I also think if there's time, though girl, there's never time, so I don't know what I'm talking about. I would love to make like a matching corset to go with this to make it very Vivienne Westwood Christmas. That would probably just be like a passion project though, for like content, probably not for a pattern. I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, yeah, I think that's where I'm gonna end the video today. Hope you guys enjoyed my weekend vlog. Let me just round up the questions I asked you throughout the vlog. I'm trying to remember. 1, what are you guys making for handmade gifts this year for Christmas? Help me out, give me your ideas. 2, what fabrics do you wanna see for the Scotland dress skirt? I don't know what other questions I asked, to be honest. But yeah, don't forget that VIVAIA is having a Black Friday sale. You can use my code BFKiana. Again, thanks to VIVAIA for partnering with me for this video. My Black Friday sale is coming up probably in a few days too. But yeah, I hope you guys like this vlog. If you liked it, feel free to give me a thumbs up. It's the easiest way to support your favorite creators for free. Also, feel free to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My handle is Kiana Bonollo. Subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye!